Hello everyone! Welcome to GreyPot. Today let's try making some baked cheesecake in passion fruit flavor. This creamy cheesecake requires very few ingredients and very easy to make. So first let's powder some biscuits. Add some melted butter and mix it. We are looking for a wet sand texture. Once it reaches that consistency, take a spring-form cake tin and add the biscuit mix and press it down gently. Spring-form pans are always best to make cheesecakes, but if you don't have one, you can use a regular cake tin with parchment paper. Now bake this biscuit base in 170-degree preheated oven for 10 minutes and keep it aside to cool down. Meanwhile, into a large bowl add some room temperature cream cheese and blend it using a blender till it becomes creamy. Into that add some powdered sugar. Make sure to sift and add it to avoid any lumps. Now blend and combine it well. Scrape down the sides in between to avoid any chunks of cream cheese, which will crack your cheesecakes while baking. Once it is blended together, let's add rest of the ingredients like some yogurt, fresh cream, some condensed milk. Blend and incorporate it really well with the cream cheese. Here I added some fresh passion fruit juice to get that nice tangy flavor for the cheesecakes. Finally, sift and add some cornstarch and mix it. Now our cheesecake mix is ready. Pour it onto the cooled biscuit base. Give it a tap to get rid of all the air bubbles. Now place it onto an aluminum sheet and cover the bottom of the tin. Now take a tray and pour some water and place the cake tin in the middle. So we're going to bake this in a water bath. Bake it at 170-degree preheated oven for 40 to 45 minutes, or the color on the top of the cheesecake slightly changes to a brown shade. After baking, when you shake the cake tin, you may find it jiggly, but it'll become firm once it cools down. So refrigerate it for 4 to 5 hours or overnight. Now let's make some sweet passion fruit pulp for the toppings. So into a pan add some fresh passion fruit pulp, sugar and water. Boil and cook it till it becomes thick. Keep it aside and cool it down completely. Now let's demold the cheesecake. Before demolding, don't forget to run a knife on the sides and slowly take it out from the pan. Let's cut a big piece and see the texture and taste. See the beautiful texture of the cheesecake. Now let's add the passion fruit pulp on top. Thick buttery biscuit base, creamy cheesecake, tangy passion fruit topping. It's simply heaven. So definitely try out this amazing recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.